we are. Greece is the word. They think our love is just a growing pain. Why don't they understand? It's just a crying shame. Their lips are lying, only real is real. We stop the fight right now. We got to be what we feel. Greece is the